Hello and welcome to all. Today's lecture is Internet and Extranet. First, Internet. What is Internet? Internet is the largest computer network in the world connecting millions of computers. The Internet is a collection of interconnected computer networks linked by copper wires, fiber optics, wireless connection. Some point you need to know about internet. First point is internet can be described as a global system of interconnected computer network. Second, internet is the largest network in as far as number of connected devices is concerned. Point 3, internet is a means of sharing information throughout the world. It is not regulated by any authority. Content in the internet is readily accessible by everyone who is connected. Internet has no known ownership. Internet is unregulated. Users have unrestricted access and can access internet anywhere. Security is dependent of the user of the device connected to network. An example of internet is the network you use to Google words with. Internet contains different sources of information and is available for all. User need no training on how to work with the internet. Internet uses. The internet is everywhere, then we could imagine there are hardly people who do not rely on the internet for their daily life. Internet has emerged in such a way that we happen to use it to run our daily life in some way. The uses of internet are endless. A few of them are as follows. First, communication. With internet, communication has become better and easier. One can call and talk to someone over the internet. Video calls are an interesting option with communication through internet. Second, use of internet is sending and receiving email. Person uses emails for sharing information, data, files, photos, videos, business communication, and any other files with others. This had enabled faster communication between people and improved business efficiency. Email has reduced the usage of paper and reduced load on physical mail systems. Third use of internet is downloading files. FTP stand for File Transfer Protocol enables data exchange between two stakeholders over internet media in a secure way. The data exchange may occur between two business entities or customers with business and vice versa. Normally, email restricts the size of a file that can be shared, and also it is not secured to share sensitive and confidential data across public networks. FTP concept is still in use even today in mobile apps for files downloading. Fourth use of internet, post your opinion to a news group. Information, ideas, views and opinions on any social issues are exchanged. The political and social organization make use of this platform in promoting their interest among the public. Chatting apps are good for more than just texting. You can use them for sending video message and audio message too. These features make your interaction more interesting and also more vibrant and lifelike. And you get to do all this in real time. Business. The corporate world relies on internet for file sharing, data transfer, internal communication and external communication, and many other purposes. In simple words, internet forms the base of the corporate today. Shopping. The internet enables the selling of goods and services in online mode. There are many e-commerce platform vendors like Amazon, Ola who uses products services available in the market and sell them through their portal to customer. Intranet. An intranet is a private network that is contained within an enterprise. Typical intranet for a business organization consists of many interlinked local area networks and use any wide area network technology for network connectivity. The main purpose of an intranet is to share company information and computing resources among employees. Intranet is a private internetwork which is usually created and maintained by a private organization. The content available inside the intranet are intended only for the members of organization, usually employees of a company. Some points regarding intranet. Intranet can be described as a network of computers or a private network designed for a specific group of users. Next, it is a small network with a few number of connected devices. Internet is a means of sharing sensitive or confidential information throughout the organization. It is regulated by a specific organization. The content in the network is accessible only to members of the organization. Ownership of Internet is by a single organization. Internet is regulated by organization policies. An Internet may be accessible from the Internet, but it is protected by password and accessible only to authorized users. Security of the network is enforced through a firewall. Internet contains only specific group information. Time is required to train users on how to work with the network. Some benefits of Internet. First, it reduces emails and meetings. Second, improves employee engagement and knowledge sharing. Third, helps an organization to build an internet culture. Fourth, increase productivity in an organization. With use of internet, there is reduced incidences and errors, enhanced centralized access to information. Extranet. Extranet can be viewed as part of a company's intranet that is extended to users outside the company like suppliers, vendors, partners, customers, or other business associates. Extranet is required for normal day-to-day business activities, for example, placing purchase order to registered vendors, billing and invoices, payments related activities, joint venture related activities, and so on. What you need to know about internet extranet? First, extranet can be described as a private network that uses public network to share information with clients like suppliers and vendors. It is a small network with a few number of connected devices. Extranet is a means of conveying information between members of the organization and external members. It is regulated by multiple organizations. The content on the network is accessible to members of the organization and external members with access to the network. Ownership of extranet is by a single or multiple organizations. Extranet is regulated by contractual agreements between organizations, and internet may be accessible from the internet but is protected by password and accessible to only unauthorized users. Security of the network is enforced through a firewall that separates internet and extranet. Example of extranet is when companies like HP, Intel and Lenovo decide to use the same network for related business operations. Extranet contains only specific group information. Time is required to train users on how to work with the extranet. Advantage of extranet. First advantage is an extranet greatly improves flexibility by making applications and information available to customers, clients and partners, allowing all the involved parties to operate with convenience. With proper implementation, an extranet can help improve an organization's security by creating different access levels, consequently controlling who can access company data. It helps to remove some drawback with transactions of an organization and increase productivity. Business uses of intranet and extranet. First, internet uses. The internet serves businesses by creating opportunities for networking, information retrieval, communication, marketing, and sales. Companies can use the internet to sell their products to distant customers. They can use the internet to gather information and interact with customers, clients, government, and other members of the industry, building awareness of their market. Companies can also use the internet for internal communications and other electronic activities, which many small businesses do for developing their own networks. Intranet uses. Intranets serve an organization's digital communication needs. They also provide a secure space for storing, accessing, and developing electronic materials. Using intranets to replace older business solutions can produce big gains in efficiency by speeding up workflows and reducing errors. Some specific internet applications include network folders where multiple employees can access the same files, offline websites that can be tested for their functioning before going live, digital reference databases for looking up facts and figures, internal email systems, and instant messaging software. Extranet uses. Extranets connects multiple intranets together, so their major use in the business world is to facilitate cooperation between different companies on joint projects, initiatives, and information sharing. They also allow companies to connect with customers in a more controlled setting than the internet. Extranets also allow multiple companies to access network services provided by another company, such as a data processing, application development, and maintained by one company that other companies utilize on their own intranets. Main difference between internet, intranet and extranet. The World Wide Web, or WW, is a platform where millions of people come every day in search of information. Most of times they come across different terms which confuse them, and one central point of discussion for an ordinary person is the difference between internet, intranet and extranet. These terms seem to be similar in many ways but are different. The internet is a place where people from all over the world can send and share information. It consists of a communication network that extends globally and connected together for ease of sharing. An intranet is a communication system similar to the internet and works exactly the same with the help of internet. But the only difference is that instead of being a global system, it is restricted to a particular place and can be considered as a private network. Extranet, on the other hand, is an extension of intranet where the system is protected even more and is only accessible to particular people. Both intranet and extranet are dependent on the internet, but the internet is not their purpose and can be both intranet and extranet are dependent on the internet, but the internet is not reliant on either of them. Most organizations, such as a company or universities, have internet for their purposes and can be viewed in the premises. Extranet is used by different businesses for sharing of private information with particular people, while the internet is used for general purposes. They have varying levels of ease. The internet does not require any passwords. The internet will not need any details when accessed from the place of use, but extranet always requires login and password information. And internet and intranet can be called different because intranet does not always depend on the internet. The mixture of these two is referred to as an extranet. An intranet can be called a private internet, while an extranet can be called a private intranet. Some key differences between internet, intranet and extranet. First, the internet is a global network which is available to anyone who wants to access information. An internet is unique to an organization of a group of people who work together at a place. Extranet is for individuals or group of personnel who want to send private information. The internet is a private network. The intranet is independent in its own way, but an extranet is dependent on internet and intranet. The internet does not have firewall protection. The intranet can have firewall protection while extranet always has firewall protection. Next difference is the internet is used to gain general information and intranet is used to share and see accurate. Extranet is used to send and receive private information. The internet is called a public domain. Intranet is known as a particular area while extranet is called private domain. The internet can be used without any personal account. Internet sometimes can require a login while extranet always requires a login.